like a food and product photographer, I must to understand how to work with lights and make soft lights. And I use softbox and diffuser to make soft lights. And today I want to show you what is the difference, the softbox, the diffuser, how to work and what you should choose for your photography. Maybe softbox or diffuser. Let's go! First, focus on this, what is the softbox, what is diffuser. This is modifier lights who help you to work with the hard light to make soft light. You still have shadows, but you have soft light, delicate. It's perfect when you want photography, people, portrait, food, product, but not use hard light, but use soft light. If you use the diffuser, you need an extra stand to install your diffuser on the stand. If you put your diffuser close to the lights, you have small lights. If you move the diffuser from the lights, you will have the bigger amount the lights and more soft the lights. Use this diffuser, it's not so complication. You don't need too much stuff. You need only the stand. You need only the stand, the clip to put the diffuser on the stand, and you can easily work with the stand using the lights. Remember, if you put too close to the lights, will be small amount the lights. If you put far from the lights, your lights will be bigger, soft. That's things. When you travel, you must work with restaurant. You must work with the outside completely, maybe on the planner or something. Easy, you can take this diffuser and work with this diffuser. How you set up this diffuser, because normally it's like big. You take both sides, you roll that, like you see, and that's it. And diffuser is small, you can take with you everywhere, don't take so much space, it's cheap. Now I show you how use the softbox and what is the difference with the softbox. You can have a lot of different softbox, that's big, small, long. The softbox what you close like umbrella and open like umbrella, but I have softbox what you must to set up all the time. That's one plus with the softbox box is that you have two diffuser material what give you that soft lights. One and second is make more soft lights than one material. The diffuser will be little different than using only diffuser and using softbox with two material diffuser. This type of the softbox, because it's big softbox, give you amazing soft and big lights. One minus is that when you set up this softbox, you need the lamp for setup. You cannot put on stand, it doesn't work only this grid you set up on your lamp. That's work, you need the artificial light. When I show you, I do diffuser material, you can move from the source of the lights, your diffuser, and make more soft lights. But here you cannot, because it's like the diffuser material is outside, you cannot move this. You must move all softbox with you. That is one minus. You cannot make bigger the sources, the lights, but always you can buy bigger softbox. I show you now how I set up this softbox on my lamp. You have here the grid, and you put here on the lamp, you have special space here to set up your lights with this lamp. Like you see, it's easy, not too much complication. When you buy your softbox, you have extra honeycomb grid, what make like lights, less lights, more shadows, more dark mood atmosphere on your photo. If you use the honeycomb grid, you install like here around the softbox, it's like that. And this is extra what you have. You don't have this with diffuser, because diffuser is only one material, different shape, can be ring, long, bigger, smaller, but you don't have the honeycomb grid. Softbox and diffuser work the same, make soft your lights, but one and second is different. Different shape, you can have ring, you have long, bigger, smaller. This you set up easy. You need the stand, you set up on the stand, you can take with you, you can put this diffuser far from, closer to the lights, far to the lights, you can work easy. Don't take so much space when you close, take little space in your studio and easy to take with you. But the softbox, what you need the stand, you need the lamp to set up and use the softbox with the lamp. You don't have lamp, you don't buy the softbox because you cannot use, but diffuser you can use all the time. Another things, the softbox is expensive. Sometimes it's hard to set up, take time. If it is more easy to set up, like looks like umbrella, is more expensive because this costs 20 pounds. This is like 200-300 pounds. The softbox, good softbox. Another things is like softbox have two material inside, was give you more soft light than diffuser, and have extra honeycomb. Is another modificator lights. You can change your lights, make more dramatic, more dark, and is with this softbox you can do two different type of the photo. What with diffuser you cannot to do that because you don't have. Another things is so big. You can have smaller, of course, softbox, bigger softbox, but you must buy lot of softbox. But here you can buy one that's big diffuser material and it's amazing, work easy and is not so complication. I left to you what you should to buy for your photography, softbox or diffuser. This you must think yourself what you need and what is better for you. But if you're looking for more information about different modificator lights like umbrellas, parabolic umbrella, diffuser and softbox, visit this video. Here is more information about modificator the lights.